In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cancel limit order on KuCoin. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Canceling any limit order on KuCoin is a straightforward process. You can do it whether you are using the website or the mobile app. I'm gonna showcase how to do this on the website. The process is exactly the same if you want to do it through the mobile app, or if you access the website through a smartphone, of course. So first, go over to your orders. So when you navigate to the trading interface, you will be able to find the spot limit orders available here. And the main option is going to be place order. So by default, you will see the option to place new spot limit orders. What you have to do is switch over to open orders. So assuming that you do have an active order that can be canceled, it is going to be available under open orders. So this is where you have to go. If you are doing this on mobile, you might see only one specific button with a drop down arrow. If that's the case, then just tap on that drop down arrow and these other options here are going to appear: trade history, order history, and most importantly, open orders. When you go to open orders, you can double check which one is selected, spot or margin. And now all that you have to do is find a specific order and choose the button to cancel. Usually you can cancel them individually, so at the right side of a given order there will be a cancel button. But if you just want to cancel everything, or if you only have one order, you can usually also find the cancel all button at the top of the screen. So just choose the cancel orders option, either a specific one or cancel all, and all of them will be stopped right away. So all that you have to do is find the open orders menu when you go to the trading interface, and it's usually right beside place order, or you just use the arrow at the side to choose a drop down menu and then open the orders that you have available. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel limit order on KuCoin. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.